Leading Edge do a phenomenal job at managing our business and our brand at a local level. I mean, New Zealand is an SME country, right? So being local, being close to the customer, understanding the environment and understanding the context, absolutely crucial for us to succeed. If you detach yourself from the customer experience, then anything can go wrong. So the real value for us is having an organisation that's part of the local community, represents our brand, and that's where Leading Edge do a phenomenal job at managing our business and our brand at a local level. We have 28 locally owned and operated business hubs, and that business hub is accountable for a geographic territory. So Leading Edge manage some of our local business hubs around the country, so they acquire, retain and service our customers in a local business geography, and they manage that customer end to end. So any service requirements are done locally, selling, upselling, cross-selling. They develop and train some of our people. They feed back on any trends or any consumer insight or any product opportunities, and they really partner with us as far as making sure that we maximise the opportunity both for our customers and for Spark within that local region. At the end of the day, you have to do a lot of due diligence around your partner. Your partner is representing your brand. It's absolutely crucial. They have the same values as you do, they have the same ethos to customer, and that they show up the right way every time. You need trust, you need honesty, you need integrity, and you need performance and customer focus, and we get that from Leading Edge.